Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're heading up towards Borrego Springs. We're gonna go up there, get some video, get some pictures and stuff, and just, all in all, go out and enjoy the Rally Fighter. There's some really neat sculptures and stuff up there. There's a little bit of off-roading, so it'll be a nice adventure. I think it's about an hour and a half away, and yeah, not a whole lot else I can say. Just gonna be a good, fun day.
Mychal on it, and I just basically want to see if you can hear me through all the road noise and everything. Like I said earlier, we're on our way up to Borrego Springs. They got some really cool sculptures and stuff. I want to get my car up by them. I think we're going to let Kayla drive the Rally Fighter around a little bit in the dirt. Other than that, as you can see, we're just out and about on our way there.
Okay guys, we're here at Borrego Springs, and up here in Borrego Springs they have all these statues of just all kinds of stuff, and this one back here somewhere is like a dragon coming up out of the ground. It's absolutely massive. It goes way over across the road and stuff, and so I thought this would make a great place to get some pictures with the sculpture and the car. I think they came out pretty good. Unfortunately the car is rather dirty, so they're not as good of pictures as I had hoped, but they still came out pretty well, so I'm pretty happy with them. On the way here, we developed a new noise coming from the car. Not really sure what that is. But hopefully it's nothing major. It doesn't sound great, but it doesn't seem to be affecting anything. I'm not real positive what the noise is. It's just like a weird kind of humming chatter noise. So, yeah. Also, I'm not getting near as good a gas mileage as I thought I was going to get. I was expecting, 15, 18. I know that was probably dreaming, but I was not expecting like 9 or 10, which is what it would appear I'm getting. But, yeah. Still love it. I was gonna fly the drone around the big dragon thing with the car and everything, but then a million people showed up and they just keep showing up, so I don't think it's gonna work because I don't like to fly the drone around a lot of people. So I think we're gonna go down to like a dinosaur or something and go fly it around that stuff. So Kayla's wanting to try and drive the car some, but she's a little short, so we're gonna have to get some pillows and stuff to put down for her. You excited?
I don't know yet.
Okay. Kayla's driving the Rally Fighter. Alright guys, we just did a little flying around with the drone. Kayla was actually driving that whole time while I was flying. I think she did pretty good for her first time driving it. Yeah. I think we both can agree we absolutely love this thing. It is just something else. So if any of you have even considered getting one and you have the means and can find one, definitely get it. I'm still not 100% convinced I'd have to have one brand new. I am fine with it being used. Yeah, the nature of them, people could be pretty hard on them, but I mean, this one had 20,000 miles on it, and they seem to have been fairly easy miles on it, besides the little noise we picked up. Like I said, still not sure what that is, and it seems to be coming and going. I didn't notice it as much when Kayla was driving this time, but like on the whole way here, ever since we started this morning, it was going. Not sure what it's all about, but yeah. So we're starting to lose sunlight, which it's not that it's late, it's that we're in the valley, so sun, once it gets behind the mountains, kind of casts a shadow on everything, ruins our light. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the car as much as I am. Hey guys, that was pretty much it for our trip today. We just drove up here to Borrego Springs for some pictures, fly the drone a bit, get Kayla in the car, and that was mostly it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We might film a little more as we go home or once we get home, but here for the moment, I'm going to hand you over to Kayla if she would like to say anything while I get us ready to get out of here. Right now she's putting on her seatbelt, so bear with me for a moment.
Okay.
Doesn't she look cute in her hoodie that she got for Christmas? It's like her new favorite hoodie.
It is. So, after driving this thing, I'm pathetic because I need a pillow and a big giant cushion behind me to even reach the pedals. But that's okay. It's still pretty fun. And, yeah, I don't know. We'll keep you guys updated as we learn new things that we like and don't like about it. And other than that, I think that's all I have to say. Have a good night.